Hello, Internet! Today, pupunta tayo sa Sydney Eye Tower para mag-buffet lunch. So, andito tayo ngayon sa train station and we're heading towards the city center para uh, makapagpamasyal muna before tayo pupunta sa our akyat sa Sydney Eye Tower. So, right now, andito tayo ngayon sa Redfern area. Uh, our train is heading towards the CBD. At uh, from there, lalakad-lakad muna kami papuntang Hydes Park towards the St. Mary's Cathedral. So uh, let's just enjoy the day, guys, to do some leisures. So, andito tayo ngayon sa Hydes Park. Yung nearest station dito is yung St. James Station. So, we'll just walk along this area here na napakaganda ng lugar kasi it's so green. The lush green scenery here is so, amazing. Kaya ang daming taong pumupunta rito sa Hydes Park, and it's one of the biggest and amazing park here in Australia. So ito yung fountain area ng Hydes Park, at doon sa, kung mapapansin niyo doon sa unahan, yun yung St. Mary's Cathedral. So we'll just walk going there. May mga, I think about 200 meters pa yan from here. So let's just enjoy the day and the area to do some leisure walk. So, eto, lalakad-lakad muna tayo within this place before heading towards the Sydney Eye Tower. So, right now, andito tayo ngayon sa St. Mary's Cathedral here in Sydney. Isa ito sa mga attraction dito, at ito'y napakagandang simbahan actually. If you can see the surrounding area, it's within the CBD area ng Sydney. So okay, right now we're heading towards the Sydney Eye Tower. Tatawid lang tayo, and actually we're heading towards the Westfield mall kasi andun yung parang entrance or yung way papunta dun sa Sydney Eye Tower. So we're inside now the Westfield Mall, at hanapin lang natin ngayon yung entrance ng Sydney Tower dining
yan na yun
area.
siguro.
So eto na nga.
Dining.
We'll just wait for our turn to go up. So eto na, paakyat tayo ngayon. And we're here. So ito yung view ng CBD area ng Sydney. We're inside the SkyFeast, by the way, yung name ng restaurant dito sa Sydney Tower. Actually, ang kagandahan naman ng dining place na to is nagre-revolve siya 360 degrees. So while dining, umiikot yung entire place. Actually, kaya hindi mo mapapansin kasi mabagal naman yung ikot eh. So just do your usual dining na umiikot yung restaurant. So you have those different types of foods. May mga Japanese, Mediterranean, Asians, Europeans. Lahat ng klaseng pagkain nandyan. So just take a pick kung ano yung gusto mo dyan. So kung mapapansin nyo, Hindi pa masyadong busy ngayon dahil parang kami yung first batch na pumasok dito sa ah, area. So there's the view of the entire CBD area ng Sydney. Actually, matatanaw mo yung area ng, I think that's the Darling Harbor over there. Uh, so ito naman yung napili kong pagkain. So it's a European type of meal. Pero ang daming choices as I've told you. Uh, by the way, yung rate is it's 120 Australian dollar per person. But it's worth it kasi yung highlight nga ng place na to or yung restaurant na to ay umiikot siya 360 degree without you knowing na naka-revolve ka na pala all around the city center or the CBD area of the Sydney. So, at yan naman yung Asian foods na sinaserve nila. And so, we're done with our buffet lunch. So, ikot-ikot lang tayo sa area and pababa na rin tayo sa uh, SkyFeast Restaurant. So, thanks for watching guys. Bye.